Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you. I hope you all are fine and Alhamdulillah I am also fine. Please stay safe, stay home. Okay, so yesterday content, so I hope you will understand and I hope you will follow. So please, it's my humble request, please share, subscribe and comment. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. Okay, so today I am going to teach you lesson number one, roar kimba roar in English. Okay, today I will teach from buzzword English textbook class 1, lesson number 1, roar buzzword English textbook class 1, lesson number 1, roar kimba roar. Okay, so roar kimba roar means it is a story of a lion cub. Okay, it is a story of a lion cub. I hope you all know cub. Cub means kid of lion. Okay, lion cub. So it is the story of lion cub. One lion cub is there, and he lives with his father lion, mother lion and her sister lion. Okay, there are 4 members in their family, in lion family: father, mother, sister and that cub. Okay, his name is Kimba. Okay, Kimba, lion cub's name is Kimba. Now what happened, when if we are having small kids, okay, small kids like 2 3 4 5 months, then they start something like they are making sounds like this. Okay, then after 5 or 6 months they are trying to see our expression, trying to catch our lips, and they are trying to make some one word, 1 2 letters word like baba, mama, like this. Okay, some advanced kids also who can start from 7 8 months, alhamdulillah, but most probably they start speaking 2 3 words like this. They most probably they start from after 1 year only. Like this lion cub is there. So usually what lions do, they roar. They roar like this. Okay, what lions do, they roar. But kimba is a cub. Okay, small cub, small kid of lion. So whenever Kimba wants to roar, he can't. He just squeak. He just sweat. Okay, he can't. So he's very worried and very afraid. Sometimes what happens, most probably our kids start to speak after 1 year or so, but sometimes 1.5 years, 2 years, if they are not they not speak any single word, 2 words, so parents get worried that why my kid still he didn't start speaking any single word, 2 word. Okay, so for like that lion cub is having their parents, father lion and mother lion, they are worried about it. And they used to, and they used to say to Kimba that please roar, don't squeak, please roar, don't squeak. But whenever Kimba tried to roar, he just squeak only, and then he felt disappointed and he started to cry. Okay, now they live in one forest. Okay, at that time they lives in forest. Usually we know that all wild animal lives in forest only. Okay, so her father says roar Kimba roar. So he tried to roar but he could not. He just quack. Okay, he just quack. Then his father shouted and said roar Kimba roar. He could not, so he ran away into the cave. Okay, into the cave where his mother was there, mother lion said roar Kimba roar, roar Kimba roar. So he tried but again he failed. And he her sister Zira said roar Kimba roar, roar Kimba roar. But again he could not. What happened, in our family also, if siblings are there, so small brother or sister is there, so he or she could not do anything, then their elder sister or brother make their elder brother and sister encourage them to do, please you can do it, please you can do it, like this. So his sister also said, roar Kimba roar. He tried but he could not. Then what he do, he ran away to he ran away to in long grass. Okay, he was crying in that grass, he was crying. Then one mouse was there. Say, a mouse asked, why are you crying, what happened to you? Then he said, I want to roar but I can't, I just quack. So mouse said, please roar Kimba roar, roar Kimba roar. He tried but he could not do it. Okay, again and again he said, please please. Then see here, one point we have to notice. What we have to notice, encouragement is the main pillar of success. Encouragement is the main pillar of success. Okay, his father, his mother, his sister was encouraging him, but little mouse encouraged him a lot. What little mouse said, please roar roar, you can roar. Squawk, we mouse quaking, we mouse quakes. Lions only roar, lions only roar. Like this, lions only roar, like this you have to do. Mouse encouraged him a lot. Okay, a lot. So Kimba tried and he roared. Okay, fortunately he roared, and he was very 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 happy, and he ran to his father, mother, sister. Then he rode, and their father, mother and sister all were very happy. Okay, all were happy. Why they were happy? Because now Kimba is able to roar like this. Now Kimba is able to roar like this. So in this lesson, one thing we have to notice and one thing we have to learn, that encouragement is a pillar of success. Okay, key of success. If we encourage our kids, inshallah definitely they will be succeeding in their life. Okay, what if our kid is doing wrong? What we have to do? Okay, beta, you can do it, please do it, you can do it, please do it. Some magical words we have to use, like please, sorry, you can do it, excellent, keep it up, marvelous. These are magical words, and we have to use for our tiny throats where they are very small and they need encouragement. Okay, and one more thing you remember, that whatever we do, our kids will follow us, if whether we are teaching them or not, they just see and they will follow. Okay, so please encourage them. Encouragement is the best for success. Okay, so this was a summary of roar Kimba roar. Now parents, what you have to do, you have to make your kids underline some words. Okay, I will show you. See, I am having this book. Okay, buzzword, I am having this book, buzzword class 1. Okay, now here is a lesson given. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to tell them to underline, like Kimba, then cave, then zira. These words, these keywords, we have to told them to underline these words. Okay, now here mouse, quack, these are words, basic words and keywords from this lesson. Okay, so we have to told them to underline. What happen when they will again when they will open the book, what they will say, they will see, oh, underline word is there, means it is much important than other words. Okay, so they will try to learn it. So what we have to do, I explain this lesson. Okay, so you have to explain like this, and then you have to ask, who is Kimba? Then they will reply, Kimba was a lion cub. Okay, and we have to ask in twisted way. We have to ask them, Zira was his brother, huh? Then no, mama, he was not brother, she was his sister. Oh, who encouraged him? Who encouraged Kimba? Then our kid will reply, inshallah, little mouse encouraged him. Okay, then learn to spell. Some spellings we have to make them learn, like lion, they know, lion, lion. Squawk, we have to say squawk, speak squawk, squawk, and then learn them with sounds. Ask them, S sound, Q sound, K sound, K sound, K, like this. So they can grasp. S, sir, Q should be there, K should be there. Okay, so these are three words, but not this is the spelling. SQUEK, SQUEAK, squeak. Okay, this is the spelling, but S, K and Q, they grab from that. Okay, so teach them with phonetic sounds, that P sound P, H sound H, C sound K or S. Okay, like this. So they can learn it, they can memorize it very well. So Kimba, 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 because again and again we have to write in our book. Okay, so Kimba, Kimba, then Cub, cub, then Zira, then Cav, cave, then mouse, then squeak, then ROA, roar. These are spellings. Learn to spell, we have to learn. Okay, we have to learn. Okay, so we have to ask them again and again, and please give them practice to speak with you. Kimba, then what they have to do like this thing. KIMBA, Kimba, with their mind, with their lips, with their finger. Okay, three things will run together, then the words created automatically. The words will create automatically, like KIMBA. So next time they can quickly they can answer it. KIMBA, Kimba, like this. Okay, then again what we can ask them, see, complete these sentences. So father lion tells Kimba that lions squeak. Yes, lions squeak. Then kids will reply, no, it's roar only. Okay, mother lion is in tree or cave? So cave. Zira smiles or cry when she hears Kimba squeak? Of course cry, because if our brother can't do anything, then we feel bad, so we will cry only. Okay, little mouse tells Kimba to try again. Okay, or run away. No, little mouse encouraged him and he said try again. Okay, where does Kimba live? So Kimba lives in forest. What noises does Kimba make? So Kimba squawks only. Why does Kimba run away? Because he could not roar. Roar, you can do it. Who says? Mouse says it. Mouse says that you can do it. How does Kimba's family feel when they hear him roar? They were very happy. They were very happy when they heard that Kimba roars. Okay, so these are question and summary. Okay, so we can teach like this. It was I tried to explain the lesson without book. I tried to explain that lesson. What we have to do first of all, before teaching our kids, what we have to do first of all, we have to learn. Okay, because a teacher is a student. Teacher is a student who always ready to learn something. First of all, we have to learn, then we can teach them. So parents, what you have to do, you have first of all you have to learn it, then you can explain them, and explain in this way, like you can do roar, squeak, crying, laughing, happy, yay, happy. Okay, so this accents in accent method you can use it. Okay, so I hope you understand it, and I hope it is easy for you. So parents of mine, even my kids parents, all and all, I hope whoever will watch my video, I think they will appreciate me. I put my great effort. So please like, share and subscribe, and inshallah tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will come with maths lesson. So I hope it will be easy for you. Please make it easy for your kids also. Encourage them. Okay, and use some magical words for them. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.